So let's continue with part 2. Suppose a treadmill has an average acceleration of 4.7 times 10 to negative 3 meters per second squared. How much does its speed velocity change after 5 minutes? If the initial speed or velocity was 1.7 meters per second, what will its final be? Okay, so average acceleration right here. Delta V, delta T. Let's say this is part A. Trying to find delta V, multiply both sides by time. However, before I do this, I got to change my minutes to seconds. So 5 minutes, 1 minute, 60 seconds, 300 seconds. (4.7 times 10 to the negative 3 meters per second squared). I'm trying to find my average. Sorry, my change in velocity. Apologize for that. So 300 times 0.0047 equals 1.41 meters per second. Letter B. If the treadmill's initial speed is 1.7 meters per second, what will its final? So I got my change in velocity. I'm trying to find my final. So this is my initial right here. Delta V is in letter A. So delta V plus initial velocity equals final. So 1.41 plus 1.7 will give me my final velocity. I get 3.11 meters per second. 2 sig figs, so then 3.1 meters per second. A car traveling at positive 7.0 meters per second accelerates at the rate of positive 0.80 meters per second squared for an interval of 2 seconds. What is the car's final velocity? So this is, I'm trying to find final velocity. That means this is my initial, this is my change in time. My average acceleration is this. So average acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by change in time. I'm trying to find, doing a different color, I'm trying to find that right there. So how do I get that by itself? I need to multiply both sides by delta t like we did before. I'm writing this one out because I want to make sure that we're all aware of what it is I'm doing here. So I want to get this by itself, so I need to add this to both sides, the initial velocity to both sides, so I can get rid of it on the right side. Okay, then I plug in my numbers. Or double check, do I need to convert anything? No, I don't. So then 2 seconds times average acceleration let's put that here, plus my initial velocity finding my final velocity. So 2 times 0.8 is 1.6 plus 7, and it's 8.6. My final velocity is positive 8.6 meters per second. I'll make that look nicer. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you in class.